Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about Nissan Murano. So if you want to know where the fuse box location is, first thing first. So if you want to get to your OBD port, it's right under the steering wheel. It's located right in here. There's your OBD port. If you need to plug in a computer or for DQ to pass. And the first fuse box location will be right in here. You just pull on this and that comes off, and there's your fuses. The location of them are right here. So to close it, you just line it up and there you go. And to get to your second one, you're gonna have to open the hood. To open the hood, there's a latch right here. So to get to your second one, it's gonna be right in here. And to open that one, you just pull on it. Just like that. There's one on the other side. But the other side looks like you have to press it. And it comes up. Or you can start with this side. No, it's easier when you start with this side. You just push. It comes up. And there's your fuses. And locations right there. To close it, you just line it up. You go like this and then press that one. Once you hear it click, it's nice and tight. Also, you have positive, has some kind of, I don't know if it's fused or replaceable or not. Comment below if you know. And there's also here some. That's for your positive, I believe. Should be positive. And that's your negative. So yeah, I think this is positive, and it has some kind of, also has numbers on the bottom. So not sure how to replace these. Also, if you go on this side, you have this box right here. If you just wiggle it and pop it, that's supposed to come up. I guess it has on these two right here and right here, sitting like this. So it's probably better to pry it when you open it. It has some kind of relay. I'm not sure if it has fuses in there, but relays for sure on this side. To close it, you just line it up. So that's all I found for this car. If you know more, comment below. That's all I found. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.